sensible.
This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. Hello, Scarson and Komodo. Hope you're having a good one so far. Let's see what the markets have done overnight. Not much, it looks like. It looks like they're pretty stagnant. Low in ES 29, high 35. Really? That's it? Oh, this is going to be a slow day, I have a feeling. Only a 6-point range, really? I'm looking at 35, 29. Yeah, Wow. NQ 729 to 763. Wow. That's less than 40 points. That is very, very, very dead. Hey, Moxie, how's it going? Copper, big dip, and came all the way back. And these are huge moves. 300 ticks. Gold dipped, trying to come back as well. 28 points in range, Ultra Bond. About a half a point in range, crude oil. Big dip, still dipping. Wow, look at the fall natural gas just took as well. Looks like crude's down about almost a point and a half. Bitcoin back above 70,000, actually above 71,000. That's why we sit standard whatever body posture you're choosing to take. So we get ready to rock and rumble here in the early morning. Oh, Nightbot. I'm gonna give him a minute. Nightbot's gonna be firing off some lies if I don't quickly change it. We don't like a lying Nightbot. There we go. Okay, there we go. That's fixed. So coming back down here, let's see. There's no way our ATR is anything worthwhile, not with a 40-point range overnight. This is almost as bad as Asia. Hopefully this picks up. Now we might have to look at trading like gold or keep an eye on these things. Keep an eye on gold and crude maybe, or natural gas. I wonder what caused that fall. So I mean that's in the last 20 minutes or so. This natural gas, this dive. That's over 80 ticks. That's an over $800 move. I haven't looked at news. Let's see, what news do we have this morning? So, coming up in about 25 minutes, Canadian CPI. And then we have a parade of Fed speakers at the top of the hour. Waller, Barkin, Williams, Bostic. All within 10 minutes of each other. So I don't know what's going on there. There must be some sort of conference or something. $17.90 to be exact. Little shuffle down here all of a sudden. A little volume spike. There's one guy in the Discord that said they got paid, and then then Charlie Baker said someone he knows has gotten paid. Trying a long here. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna have a real tight stop on it if I can find my stop. There it is. See if this wants to bounce back up here or not. It doesn't look like it. Say real tight stop. We'll see what it does. It's literally a 6-tick stop. Oh, I mean that doesn't mean anything. Most advertising you see just uses generic stock photos anyway of anything. It's actually AI. I mean, no, I didn't. I had thought about it, but decided against it. Uses what, Komodo? Look at this. Kind of didn't expect this. This is nice. I'm just gonna take it there before it pulls back. So I got 5.25 points there. Why did I take that? It came down. We had this volume spike here. You can see big old spike in volume. I waited for the first green candle. See, there's a second green candle just because my mind didn't process quick enough. So I took that and I did nice move up. So first win of the morning. Well, thank you for using my code. I would have got the full target, but that's okay. I'm happy where I got out. So once again, last night I made 2 nice NKD trades. Could have got a lot more, but hey, CVR. Ooh, it gives it right back. Whoosh, right back down. Yeah, not afraid of falling. It's coming right back down. And hanging around 742. Again, very tight range overnight. If we bust out of that at the open, 15 minutes to Canadian CPI, which usually doesn't move the market much. Just a slow grind back down. Gave it all back, plus more. So now we're about 10 points off the low of the day. Well, thank everyone for joining me. I appreciate it. If you would gore that like button for me. Let YouTube know that you love the stream. Yeah, very slow night, G-Man. Almost mixed up my G's again. Might be the day to take a nap, sleep in. Well, I did get one good trade already, so I can't complain too much, I guess. Well, Wednesday, G-Man. Same day we have FOMC meeting minutes. Yeah, and all like right on top of each other. It's kind of weird. Be weird if they were actually on top of each other. Market's gonna lull me to sleep. La 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 la. Morning, JC. How are you doing? How's the trading been going? I've been doing all right. Slowly but surely. This morning it's very slowly. 60%? Huh. Did they tweet that or where did you see that? Because, oh, yeah, there it is. Wow, I totally missed that tweet. That's been out. Ouch. Ow, that's been out since the 13th, and I totally missed it. Ow. Thank you. Yeah, no, I found it now, and I totally missed that. Wow. Thank you, thank you. Excellent, JC. Yeah, the TradeDay copier is pretty cool. Only thing I don't like about the TradeDay copier is it shows you the total amount of the trade, like for all the contracts, and that can mess up your mind. And I haven't figured out how to switch if there's a way to change that. Still falling. Not afraid of falling. 4 minutes until Canadian CPI. One of the tightest ranges I've ever seen for overnight on NQ. We are definitely oomphless. Yeah, absolutely. You know, that was a nice little pop there, a couple points. thought about it when I saw a blue candle in the red. Didn't go for it. Just because of how slow we are. Oh, sorry about the yawning. Ooh. Nico, good morning to you. Blue candle would have been good. Morning, John. Yeah, it's a slow morning. Let's see what your guys' CPI does for the market. Yeah, John, and like they're all back to back. I mean, like within 10 minutes of each other, except for the one. So there's Canadian CPI. It's done a whole whopping 3 points since. $2.7 on Canadian CPI. I mean, I mean, I entered one trade earlier, but like this one here was, ooh, wow, whoosh. Yeah, this one here. What's your normal? How many points do you normally go for, Nico? And are you? I forget. Are you NQ? I find slower price action harder too. It definitely was. I mean, when it's slower like this, I was surprised to get 5 earlier when I got 5 on that trade. It's slow like this. 5 might be your upper limit for right now. I mean, although we had a move down here that's been more than 5, obviously. 55 down there. Oh wow, so that's actually moved more than I thought it has. We're at a new low a day. So I mean, it's just yeah, it's tough to read when you're when it's slow like this. It kind of lulls you to sleep, and you don't realize that it's just gone 30 points. Yeah, it's just tough. Grabbing along here. I'm late as usual. I get logged out. Nice. Right in the middle of a trade. How rude. There we go. Good morning, Speed Racer. Yeah, I mean, shooting for quicker targets, I guess, is the the best thing. Like even here, I was up 13 ticks. Now I'm up 0 ticks. He bought the low a day. That's, yeah, I kind of use an ATR as a guide, and like right now, my ATR on the 15-second chart is only 2.7. So I'm usually still going for 5. It looks like this was a mistake. I'm gonna get stopped out, maybe. But yeah, so if I'm seeing ones and twos on the ATR, I'm not going for any more than 5. But even 4 would have been good. Like right here, I got it at 79. I was late. It went up to 33, so I could have got 4 points there if I had taken it. Yeah, he sent everybody over to the MightyOxTrading Discord, so we got like 120 new members. Yeah, NKD is nice to trade. I like trading it in the evenings. It's been giving me good wins. Oh, now we're stopped out. So if I had taken 4 points or 3 points, I would have got that win there, but I didn't. Instead, I took the loss. But yes, and thank you for putting in new lows. What's going on with Quant Tower? Yeah, I mean, I'll set up if you want to let the guy know, I'll set up a special channel just for bonds or whatever. Morning, RJ. I told people as they were coming in that, if there's anything that was on CFT's Discord that they wanted on my Discord, I was willing to, add it. It's not a problem. I'll even add a French channel as long as they're so in the moderated since I don't know French. He closed his Discord, RJ. That's all. Wants to focus on other things. Try that long there. Someone tell me to take my own advice and take the 4 points. Taking the 4 points. Glad I took my own advice and took the 4 points. Watching. So at least our range has expanded a little bit. Now 63 down to 17, so it's still not even 50. Jamari, how's it going? I want to thank everyone for being here this morning. Hope everyone's having a good day. Feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions, comments, always welcome. Yeah, I kind of noticed that too, JC, that the bond opening really is nothing special anymore. Intraday can be a little tougher, but you gotta make sure you set targets. Go for smaller wins. You're long at 25. Ooh, okay. Yeah, it's why, like I say, you gotta go for small targets. You know, you can't go for like the big 50 pointers and all that. If it goes 49 points and pulls all the way back, you're screwed. Yeah, it's tough to do. The other thing is, I mean, the other choice is if you still want to go for those size moves, is size down to micros or, you know, a smaller size, whatever, then, you know, it doesn't take as big of a hit if it doesn't go the way you expect it. Just not want to rise up. It keeps trying. Well, that's a interesting blue candle. I like that. I'm going long on it. Where's my stop? I keep losing my stop. There it is. Oh, whips right back down. Why not get a static account, Jamari? There's a plethora of static options right now. That sounds like an attorney's office, CBR. It's gonna bite me. I should have got out that purple candle. Let's see what happens. Maybe not. Stotts and Williams, economic advisors. Uprofit has their static out right now. MyFundedFutures, their statics are good, but they're a little bit expensive. And of course, my favorite, Blue Sky. Struggling here, back down to my entry almost. Looking for longs in all the wrong places. Looking for longs. Oh, look at that. I got a long. Target hit. 25 ticks. I'm actually reading the market kind of good today. So, how many trades is that this morning? Win, win, loss, win. 3 out of 4 this morning so far. There you go, CBR. Your stuff was right. What's your target? A little pop there. 5 minutes till the top of the hour. Yeah, I wish I had that. I would love to have the ability to like track stuff like that, but it's like I just I don't have the organization. And I mean, I swear I've never been diagnosed, but I've never asked for a diagnosis, or I don't even know how you diagnose it. But I think I would almost swear that I'm at least slightly ADD. I constantly switching from one thing to another, so it's hard. Sometimes hard for me to like really concentrate. I can sit and watch a movie. I'm the type that's here doing stuff, and then like quickly I'll check three tabs on Chrome and check a conversation and then go back to what I was doing, and it's just like constantly. It's why making video content is hard for me because I'm here having to concentrate on making the slides and stuff, and it's just like I end up it takes so long because of it. Hey Hassan, did you notice how far NKD dropped, Hassan? Oh, yeah, it does somewhat. I mean, it's both good and bad. I miss things if I'm reading the chat and the stream, but yeah. But even so, you don't often see that I have I'll be quickly checking Twitter or other things too while I'm streaming, checking my affiliate earnings, see if anything's coming in. Okay, remember we have Fed speakers. Ooh, whoosh. You okay, CBR? That's a volume spike. 4 different Fed speakers starting now, and over the next 10 minutes. We're long. It might be premature. We'll see. Yep. Yep. Dang it. Tried to play that volume spike. It didn't spike for me. Dang it. Here it comes again. We'll try again. See if we can get back what we just saw. Ow! Yeah, just wiped out my gains from the morning. Good job, Brian. Two stupid trades there. Bostic and Wall are both talking. So I totally misread that volume spike there. Or I guess I could say I just didn't give it big enough room, but I'm gonna try long again, keeping it. I'm gonna put the long there at the low. I mean the stop at the low. We'll see. Probably stupid of me because the Fed speakers are speaking. But hey, I'll just ask Josh for a reset. There we go. Come on. There we go. Say something, guys. Say something great, like we're gonna lower interest rates to -2. Come on, push up. Come on, push up, push up, push up, push up. That's down. That's the wrong way. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Come on. Get a little higher. Don't be shy. Get a little higher. Yeah, I understand that, JC, and then I had to use the toe it snake. Ah, there we go. Pull back the head up. Come on, come on, come on, come, 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 come on. Come on, come on. Calmer, 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 calmer. There we go. Target hit. 10 points. Got back what I lost earlier. Most of what I lost earlier, I guess. So if I hadn't done this stupid stuff right here, I'll be up big on the day. Thank you, JC. Yeah. I mean, this volume spike right here got me. I thought, I saw the wick coming up here. So I jumped in and it just continued, obviously, flush, flush. Tried twice there. And I should have waited, you know, no blue candle there, just a volume spike. And it just got me. And then, obviously I took that first blue candle. Well, actually, I didn't even wait for the blue candle. I took this. I don't even know why. But hey, it worked. A little bit choppy and a lot more action. Trying to push back down now. Now, what I did wrong, honestly, so here's what I did wrong. I didn't give it enough room, but we were so slow that I didn't think that, to give it more stops, more stop room once it started. This entry was almost the same entry as, I think it was the same exact entry within a tick. But this one I gave the stop, I gave it room all the way down to here. Here I only gave it 5 points. It ended up being like 6 points, but either way. And so if I had just given it the room, if I hadn't, if I used a wider stop there, we would have got the bounce and I would have got the same profit. But this is why G-Man uses mental stops. And pull them back again. So right back down. Ooh, whoosh. Waller or somebody must have said something people didn't like. Ooh, see another volume spike. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me once, twice, shame on me. Yeah, it is. We're long off this blue candle here. Stop again's at the low. This one might be a mistake. I might be giving back. Yep. That was a bad read. I didn't look at my RSI. So again, I set my stop there right at the bottom. You see it came down. It's kind of back up. Let's see if we can get through this area. No, we're not. Struggling there at 707. Which is exactly the area I got in earlier over here, 709. But it looks like it's not going to make it this time. All right. It's trying. All right, folks, the Mighty Ox Trading Discord continues to grow. If you're not part of it, you should be. Here's the join link. Come join us. Lots of activity going on there. Got some bond traders that are going to be coming over that JC's inviting. A little something for everybody. Nearing 800 members. Hey, Ace, excuse me, good morning. Yeah, now we're going to get stopped, I think. Yep, there we go. Now we got stopped. Whoosh down, new low day. Fed speaker still yapping. Fed's Waller needs several more months of good inflation data before backing a rate cut. How's Ace today in his trash out? JC, if you're still here, the first of your guys have arrived on the Discord. Ace is going to try along. Gold still popping. Hopping, stopping, popping like a rabbit when it gets beneath it. Then it knows it got the hay of it. Crude oil coming up. Still falling, new lows, new lows. Down to 689, low yesterday, 635. Keep that in mind. Keep that number in mind. This is just a guess. Do not play my guesses. Do not play anything that I say. But I have a feeling this whole Fed speak that drop here is just the market's just gonna absorb it and we're gonna start going back up at the open. But I could be wrong. I expect to be wrong, honestly. Nice bounce. Nope. Bounce goes away. That bounce deflated. Rising up here some. Try to get back to 18,700. Oh, there it goes. Touches it. No, didn't touch. Missed it by 2 ticks. Got a little hairy there, huh, Ace? We have Fed speakers speaking, Ace, so things might be a little wonky. Wonky, technical trading term. Right, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, or if you're not, just want to be nice, appreciate if you'll gore that like button. If anybody's new, welcome to the stream. Feel free to join us in chat and say hi. We're a friendly bunch for the most part. Don't be intimidated by the fact that the only people talking are the ones that have wrenches. I just give out wrenches as rewards. Drop it again. New low a day. We are Ace, where's my 2-minute warning? Less than 2 minutes away. Oh, guess it felt like you needed some sleep. We start with a move down. New low a day there, it's 678, and then quick pop. Back down. Quick pop, not to be confused with K-pop. Right back down. ES kind of fizzling at 52.33. AQ 18,860. No, 18,680. Wow, I was a bit dyslexic there for a second. Ooh, topping. Back up. Trying to reclaim 700. Ooh, whoosh down. Yep, yesterday when all our troubles seemed so far away. Life seemed like such an easy game to play. Trying to reclaim 700. Touched it. Price action is no fun. And no fun if my traders can't have none. Singing too much today. Hasn't driven away most of the audience yet, so apparently I'm okay. Ooh, there's a pop. We're long. Hoping that's not the top. Ouch, it might have been. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Nope. Pull back. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Move. Come on. Me trying to coax the market. Took it there. Of course, just burst up as I did, but nice win there. I'll take it. I'm wide, but I'm working on that. I think I'm happy where I got out there too. It didn't go much further. Let me look here. So I got 7.3 to 7.11. So I got eight. I got 8 3/4. So I was shooting for 10. I would have got the 10, but that's fine. Let's try it again now though. But still, either way, Ox be happy. Shiny happy Ox is laughing. Fed's Waller says there's a disconnect about how people think about the speed of the rate hikes versus expected rate cuts. He also said that the probability of a recession seems to have disappeared. Good luck on that, Ace. struggling to stay above 700. Looking like it wants to fall. No more chasing. NQ falls. Yeah, it was bad, very bad. Sorry. Sounded better in my head. Or maybe really not. Pops back up. How we doing out there, folks? Anyone taking advantage of this very horrible price action? Great job, JJR. Nice, Nico. Because we would miss you here, Ace. You are our shining star. You must be my shining star. Oh. The struggle is real today, Ace. The struggle is real. Damn it, Ace is his own boss. He beats himself up. Not even 15 minutes, what? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a great point. Working a job is working 8 hours or more for somebody else's dream. Wow. Fuck me. Why is it big fall? And pop long. See? Yeah, Dow seems to be kind of most directional today. Looks like this isn't going to work. Ouch. Still coming. Yeah, that was a really bad read on my part right there. Very bad read. That was just a bleh. Now it wants to come back up. Trying to push up again, like we did last summer. Up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 10 minutes till the top of the hour. Blue candle. Struggling here. Let's see. Oh, boom. Above 700. Let's try it. Long. Oop, might, ATR is around 5, so we're going to look for 5 points, but it looks like it's going to stop me. Maybe not. Come on back up, baby. Boom. I say boom. Boom. Target hit, 10 points. Thank you, GB. Welcome. How you doing today? Doing good. Thank you, John. Still rising up. They're trying to. 715. ES at 53.27. Hanging here at 712. Crude, I mean, the gold's kind of choppy. Ultraviolet, ooh, look at the ultraviolet making a rise. It liked what the Fed speakers had to say. Crude's risen up. Copper back up. Popping. After that quick move down. Short on that purple. See what we get. Nope. Blue bounce. Down, up, down, up. Let's see. There we go. Come on. Yeah, back up to my entry. Hanging right on my entry. All right. Ah, out. Ouch. 5-point loss. Hate this fucking trade. That was the top of the hour bounce. I wasn't looking at the clock. Struggling to get through that level. It's 29 on ES. It's 720-ish on NQ. There we go. It's 720. There's well, poke through it a little bit. I didn't realize I'm watching ES on a 5-minute chart. No wonder it looks so weird down there. Continuing this move up. Slow grind. Take the long off that blue candle. Give me a tight stop. And it's going to hit that stop. 5-point stop. And maybe not. That blue candle was iffy. Very iffy. There we go. There's our stop. Down we come. Down goes Frazier. Oh. Popping up here a little bit. Missed that blue candle, my fault. I was looking on another screen. Ooh, there's another blue candle. Hold on. We might take that if it stays. If it stays. If it stays. We took it. And immediately comes down. What 5-5 ticks? Give me a few, G-Man. Let me manage this trade. Hemming and hawing in my entry. There we go. Come on, pop. 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 Once you pop, you can't stop. Let's be some Pringles. Move the target down to that recent high, 724.75. I could eliminate almost all risk and put my stop below that last blue candle. Nope. Nope. Down she comes. Wee. See if it bounces. Put in a lower high here if it doesn't bounce. Come on. You can do it. All right, and I stopped sitting below the bands. There we go. There's my stop. That's what I was looking for. Go ahead, call in, G-Man. Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Test, test.
Yeah, I can hear you.
All good.
Yep.
So this, my friends, is summer trading. I don't know if you guys have spent any time in the summer. I think most of you guys go up to the Hamptons, but and just leisure. So what's going on? It's low volume and tight range, and typically whatever we use for entries, you'll get a long, then a short, then a short, then a long. It's just very, very difficult. So, if you're taking them all, you're probably, chopped up, or if you take, you miss the one that goes and you take the ones that don't go. It's just tough. So, I mean, all I did was look at the prior overnight low, which was 23. That happened at 6 o'clock my time. So 8 o'clock Ox's time, 9 o'clock. And then at the open, and I did post same open as yesterday, meaning, we're going to get a dump, not a big one, but just a little one. And then basically that Globex low held 53.23 was the entry. It popped and it came right back down, poked it. But, 23 would be an excellent entry. So, it actually went 23 to 28. So there was the first 5 points, and it shows the direction. So I just took longs, from there, sort of every pullback. And, I've got on my 5-minute chart 89 and 240 EMAs, and we went right up to it. So 30.5 is the 89 and 32 is the 240. So there's the resistance for exits, sort of for the day. It'll probably go through it, like probably right now if this one keeps going. But the key is just all longs or all shorts, depending what the market's doing. And as quick as you can figure that one out, the more trades or the more options you have. But it's the other option is just to not trade. This used to kill me because I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to make my points, and here we go, and I'm wrong direction, or it doesn't go, and it just sits. I mean, 29 was it finally broke at a little after 7:10, I guess, but it just sat there. So incredibly difficult. Go to sim, practice. Don't risk any dollars, or if you do, I mean, there's really 2 ways to trade it. You can buy 23 and just sit and go away, and maybe put the target at 10 points or something, which it probably should hit. Or do a lot of quick trades, every pullback, and get out for a point or two, maybe 2, maybe 3. So if you do it that way, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like 8 or 10 trades in here, all longs, and getting 2 or 3 points. So those are your options. It's real hard to get entries. It's real hard if you're using indicators to sort of see, because they're conflicting. I don't know if you guys are seeing that. Ox, are you seeing conflicting, like blue purple type stuff, or
Yeah, some.
But you got some good directional trades, right?
Yeah.
On a normal day.
Yeah.
But they may not go as far as you're used to because of I mean, we're at low volume, 286,000. Some days we get that before the open, and those are the good days. So I guess you have to have a way of figuring out what kind of day it's going to be. I use volume and range. So we started, the range was what, 4, 5, 6, something like that, and then it got to 12.5 with those big dumps on the Fed speakers. So we got more range, and that just put the bottom in, retest the bottom, and then off we go. So it sounds pretty simple right now, doesn't it? But that was my plan. Did I post it yesterday? Yeah, same open as yesterday. And you guys remember yesterday's open, anybody?
I barely remember what I had for supper last night.
Well, it doesn't matter what you have for supper, but knowing the
Yeah, I know. Just kidding.
knowing the opens, the direction, and what it did is helpful in trading.
Yeah.
You can only do certain things. So, if we're opening and we're getting a little bit, well, it put in a low, so why not retest it, which it did, and why not bounce, which it did. But I think summer trading's difficult, very difficult. Anybody ace it? I'm sure Ace did, but
Ace aced it.
or anybody looking at their entries and exits and realizing that it's not that easy today.
No, RJ said he got a nice trade on the Dow.
Who did?
RJ did on the Dow.
There you go. Yeah, I mean, I trade ES. I don't really know the Dow, but I think maybe the Dow just does more of a trend and moves, like a commodity, like gold or wheat or what have you, trading off of fundamentals versus the ES, which trades off nonsense. So then you had the Fed speakers before the market, and they did their thing. They dumped it. They gave us a little bit more range, and then that's fine. Yeah, we could have bought that one. 23 went to 30. Yeah, 29.5. So that basically gave you the reasons why 29 was not breaking. There's been a lot of people resisted. Now we sort of went through it. I don't know. Maybe that's all we're going to get today. Yeah, today's not a day to sit in trades all day. Especially if you're wrong, get out. I remember these early days trading, and I would be like short here or short, at the open type thing, and then just sit in it because my RSI was telling me to short, and so I shorted, and this is the kind of day it was. And at the end of the day, I got the call or the email or whatever saying, get out or we'll dump it for you. Huge loss. First trade. And it took me probably 10 years to learn that lesson. Not the quickest, not the sharpest. Got a quiet room today, Ox.
Yeah, everyone's been lulled to sleep.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm looking at your 15-second chart. You got purple, blue, purple, purple, blue, just now purple, blue. So, I mean, which one do you take?
I'm looking at the
What is it?
RSI down there right now. I'm thinking more long than short because we're above the signal line. But right now it's chopping.
Yeah.
And there we go. There's a little boost up.
So you were correct.
I'm actually in a trade on Topstep.
Nice. Okay, now this has got to blow through. Where are we? 31,
Order filled.
32. I can keep going.
I took my trade off for a 4-point win.
Money in the bank. So basically, I just look at it as I can make lots of decisions or just one. So if I can make one decision and it's correct, obviously, which would be long at the open pullback, which is what happened yesterday and today, then that's the only decision I need to make. I can sit and hold it, or I can buy the dips. So that's, for going up, I buy dips. For going down, I sell dips, or whatever pullbacks. For sideways, you fade the edges. So the strategy is the same: slow, long, slow, fast, super fast, big range, small range. It's the same strategy. So I'm looking for higher low, higher high. Or, like 29 was just kind of a line up there, but we were getting higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. This is on ES. I don't know about anything else. But one decision, one direction. Just way easier. I haven't taken a short at all today, just longs.
And quick prop firm news, guys. Josh just informed me that Blue Sky is extending their 50% off sale to the end of the month. So it includes the statics and the regular accounts. So if anyone thought they missed the Blue Sky sale, it's back. Ooh, a nice pop here.
Still in it? Oh,
727.
you're out.
Yeah.
So it's got to get through 31 here, which is where it just stopped. But and it eventually will. Just got to be patient. Patience is key in summer trading, because you're not going to get quick results. And as soon as we check out, that's when it moves. So
Yeah.
typical.
Still struggling to get higher. 724 is where we're sitting.
And we got that spike on the ES at a little before 7:15, 7:11. Spike up. So got to work through that. No more news today, I didn't think.
No.
Maybe the Fed guys are done.
There's another one coming up. Bars speaking at 11:45 Eastern, 10:45 my time, 8:45 your time.
Yeah, they're all saying the same thing.
Yeah.
My thought is the market's moved on from Fed speakers, but we did dump at 6, so well, a little bit, like 5 points. It's not really a dump, but it's a move. There's the breakout. Now let's see if it keeps going. Let's get 32 and through it. You guys break out?
And I mean, we popped up a couple points, but I wouldn't call it a breakout yet.
Nothing. We have NVIDIA tomorrow,
Yeah.
which I will not trade for reasons of massive losses last time I tried that. It's an after hours trade, which, doesn't really work on the ES.
I hit 731.
There we go.
So
now it's got to get through 32, and maybe we get 35 at some point today. I guess that's the close too, right here, which is where it stopped before. The gap is closed for all you gap traders. So this is a retest of the high. Let's see what it does. A little poke. Retested. Let's see. It poked it. If we get lower with a lower high, then we're going down. If it blasts through, we're going up. I'm sure there's some breakout traders sitting on the other side of 32. I've never figured that one out, but I guess they sit there and if it goes through, they get long. You do any of that, Ox?
not, I mean, every now and then, but very rarely. Yeah.
So I guess it's moving in threes today, 29 to 32.
Order filled.
I'm late.
31.
It took a long, but I'm way late off that blue candle. Crap. How late was I?
That's your breakout.
3 points.
Good luck.
Let's see. That's 3 points late. Had my TradeDay window behind a different window. Oops. Gonna get through 34 or 36, I guess. That was a breakout. It was a very poor one. There we go. Come on. Using my entry as resistance. Come on. Break there. Again, hits my entry. It bounces. There we go.
Come on, get up there, Fox. Nicely done.
Yep, well, it came right back down to my entry. Yep, that might be it too. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's the breakout. I'll take the 5 points.
Order filled.
741.
Nice. So we got to 33.5.
That's right. GB called 760 on NQ earlier. So we
You
might, well,
close?
I shouldn't say called. So we could get back to 760, and we're at 740. So we're at 740. Are you in that trade, GB, or are you just watching it?
Here's 34. Globex high was 35.5. See if it gets there.
Yeah, 763 was the overnight high on NQ. And this is kind of, actually, I said this earlier before the bell. I said, I bet you we end up just reversing everything the Fed speakers did at the open and go back up. Just the way the market's been working lately. It's been strong. No matter what gets said or what happens, it just goes right back up, bounces.
Yep. Hence the same open as yesterday comment.
Yeah.
That's what you said. That's what I said. That's what it's done. So now we just have to trade it to our advantage. And ES came right back down to that prior low, 23 at the open. So I don't know what NASDAQ did or whatever you're trading over there on the dark side. The commie traders. So it's sitting here in that little pattern I was telling you about yesterday, Ox, just sitting, consolidating, and then boom, there's your 35.5.
Yep.
Globex is done.
Up to
What's
750.
next?
750 now on NQ.
So 48.5 is yesterday's high. Look at that go. See what I mean? You turn away and gives you the finger. So that's 15 up. That's automatic short for my bot.
It's a volume spike actually there as well.
Exactly. On 15 up. For short of the day. Of course, I have
Order
to push
filled.
the buttons. The bot doesn't do it automatically.
I'm short on NQ. Let's see what happens. Volume spike and then the first red candle. Now I got a purple. Yay.
All kinds of stuff going on up there.
But it's not dropping. There we go.
So we got I'm just going to go for 3, I guess. Around 34s.
I have a target of 10 points, but that's only if it like bursts down. I'll probably take it off at 5 if it gets there.
I mean, I'm almost there, 35. So if we get lower high here, it could continue down. If we get a retest, it could continue down or blow through. But 15 is a lot since it's 12 overnight.
There we go. There we go. Drop, drop, drop.
Yeah, we got the middle finger over there on the 5-minute.
Boom.
Order filled.
10 points. There we go.
Yeah.
55 to 45. Thank you, CBR.
Looks like it wants to retest.
Just one contract, JJR. When I get a signal to open a trade. You just missed one, Rolex.
So we took out the Globex low, we took out the Globex high, which is not easy to do. But since the range is so tight, it makes it easier. But they're rare days. Globex is the overnight high or low. I call it Globex.
Yeah.
You know, and the fact that we touched it down there at the open and we couldn't break it. Means we go chase the other side, which we did. We don't have to get there, but it just means we're going up. I think that's market profile theory. Pulling that out.
Pushing down here a little bit.
See, I mean, this is giving me short signals at 37, but or a long signal at 35. But you see how tight it is, so it's really difficult to trust either side or do either side. Take anything.
M pattern on the 1 minute chart. Whoop, 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 whoop.
What does the
Order
M
filled.
pattern give you?
Usually, oftentimes it means that, it goes up, down, up, like this is going further down. So the last leg is usually the direction it goes.
It's like a head and shoulders type.
Yeah.
Yep, that works. I like to get short the top rather than wait for the break of the neckline.
Right. I wasn't even, I think I wasn't looking at the 1 minute until I looked over at the Topstep X I have up because that's on a 1 minute. I'm like, hey, that's an M.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Not really going though. Went for a little bit, went for a couple points, and then kind of hemming and hawing. It's interesting because I have the M pattern on the 1 minute, but the 15 seconds staying long. And right now it looks like 15 seconds trying to win.
Yep. That's how it works. Every time frame gives you different signals. That's how the market works. That's why there's liquidity all over the place, because you got people using the M pattern going short. You got people using something else going long. And that makes the market. The market makers are in between everybody cleaning up. They're at the front of the line for execution on every trade. There we go. So shorts are weaning. They're sellers. I don't know if they're shorts.
Down and back up. There's popping a little bit. Still indecisive. Choppy.
You could probably put that
Order
out every
filled.
day for the next 3 months.
Took the long off that blue candle. Let's see if I'm dumb. So it looks like it wants to try and push up a little bit more. Yep. Maybe I was dumb. Or maybe I wasn't. Oh. Well, hello there.
Hard to see, but it looks like you're in the positive, right? There
Yep.
you go.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure there's a way to kill that, Hassan, when when I have the desktop audio on. I'll have to look at my volume settings. They hear my
That's my
trade of
bad.
eight. No, you're fine. They just hear my trade of eight go order filled.
Order
Out.
filled.
There we go. Out with a 4-point win there. It shot up, shot back down.
Yeah. That's a good candle to get out on, that volume spike, or even just a spike. When you see those spikes, it's rare that people will keep trading it,
Yeah.
So the last one we got was that high of the day for ES 15 or 37.75, and we haven't gotten any higher.
De-risked today. Snagged 40 on NQ. Nice. So when you say de-risk, I assume you mean you sized down majorly? Took me a minute to figure out what that word was. I was like, de-risked? No, de-risk. Nice. Good job. Good job.
Yep, that's the way to do it. Summer trading.
Summertime, summertime.
I mean, we're not getting any pre-market news today. We had the Fed speakers. Tomorrow, nothing, but we get FOMC, and then after hours we get whatever that silly little company is that makes it
NVIDIA.
non-used product. What is that one? Something. Staying away from that. And then later in the week, is there anything, or is it just going to be like this all week?
We do have existing home sales tomorrow as well in the morning.
Oh, okay.
But
not a big mover.
Jobless claims as always on Thursday.
Yeah, jobs might move it 5
And we
points.
have some PMIs flashing us on Thursday as well.
There you go. That'll do something.
And Eurozone consumer confidence.
Hmm.
Friday we have University of Michigan sentiment and durable goods. They'll say get yourself a static. Jamari, Blue Sky just extended their 50% off sale.
I mean, this is kind of like when you're playing poker and you get dealt like the worst hand there is, This is kind of like that. So, you know, you just fold. Don't play. Wait for your better hand.
Gotta know when to hold them, know when to fold them.
Exactly. So depending on the kind of poker. Exactly right.
Five minutes to go in the stream. So right now it's been an up and down day, but I'm sitting green by $103.
Good.
And on Topstep, I'm up 86.
Gonna
That would.
say that could buy you lunch at McDonald's, but maybe not anymore, huh?
Honestly, McDonald's getting more expensive is probably good for the health of this country.
It's true. I think they're trying to do a $5 package meal type thing.
I did see that.
Yeah. Can you like make yourself lunch for $5? Probably, right?
Oh yeah, I mean
Fresh food.
my normal lunch is like 3 or 4 chicken drumsticks, and I get 5 pounds of those each, for like $5. So
Okay, so that lasts you a week or so.
yeah,
You cook them up. Yeah. Deep fried, of course.
yeah. Well, not deep fried, but fried in butter.
Fried in butter. There you go. Perfect. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Butter's good.
Ooh,
I love fresh butter.
there's a pop. Yeah, butter's a lot better than seed oils.
Exactly.
That was a nice quick pop there. 10 point, almost 10 points.
Yep.
So
And you got a blue.
yeah, I didn't take that wick
It's
kind
hard
of.
it's hard. No worries.
Yeah, that wick kind of scared me away. That
Yeah.
one.
No worries. Boom. Of course, it's going to be the best trade of the day. It just goes without saying. How was last night? I missed it. I fell asleep.
I mean, slow as heck for NQ, but I got the 2 good trades off of the NKD.
Nice. Yeah, we had one summer trading. It was like the lowest days were like 4 or 5 points, and the big ones, I mean, if it got to 20, that was like wow. So that was a long time ago, though, before most of you guys were born. Or thinking about trading, put it that way. But I mean, we got the election this year. We've got lots of catalysts, so I'm not thinking we're going to get that. And interest rates and all kinds of fun stuff. Sure, there's lots of other stuff.
There we go. Took a trade on Topstep long off that last blue candle. Actually, the second last blue candle. This one right here. And
Nice.
let's see. Boom. Come on. There you go. Go, 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 go. Oh.
So it's on a different account we can't see because I can't see anything.
Right.
Okay.
I just took it off there to pull back.
Yep.
10 ticks. Not as much as I could have got, but that's fine. So we have reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. And thank G-Man for joining me today. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Have a great day, everybody. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.